determined to make you smile, especially with these CDs on this pile. In alphabetical order, I hope they're still filed, as that's how I put them once compiled. So how's it? And more to the point, what can the boss do about it?
Greetings all, this is Pikitai the poet, aka Angela Rugara from Zimbabwe. I'm sitting here with John on the microphone, just reminiscing on the past. Do you remember your songbook, guy? Where is it? Well, we've got some songs for you to remind you of the good old days. Enjoy.
On the go with song number 4.
Country. My mama said, son, we must go to town. I said, mama, me, I don't wanna go to town. 'Cause in downtown, don't have any place to stay. Can't you see me? I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm not working. I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm not working. Everything they do, they just do for themselves, yeah. All the money they get, they just share by themselves. Just because me, I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm not working. I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm not working. I was born down in the country. My mama said, son, we must go to town. I said, mama, me, I don't wanna go to town. 'Cause in downtown, don't have any place to stay. Can't you see me? I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm not working. I'm a country boy. Oh, I'm not working. I was born down in the country. My mama said, son, we must go to town. I said, mama, me, I don't wanna go to town. 'Cause in downtown, don't have any place to stay. Can't you see me? I'm a country boy.
They were all my pals from the heydays, I'm proud to say, and we got to do some incredible score music in our recording studios back in Harare. Country Boy, the Pied Pipers, and I'd be surprised if it wasn't my engineer pal, Yunus Yusuf Bura, who actually recorded that particular song, YYB we used to call him.
Give us a high five for song number 5.
That I might fly. Rain the sun could touch me. Yeah, when the clouds cry, there's thunder, rain, lightning. Big storm is coming. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Watch out. Big storm is coming. There's thunder and lightning. You better hold on. Watch out. Big storm is coming. There's thunder and lightning. You better hold on.
Zimbabwe's very own from back in the day, Wells Fargo, a track called Watch Out. More jams to come in the weeks ahead, I can promise you that. But speaking of something music fans ought to really look out for, just watch this young Zimbabwean songstress who's already big on the international scene. She goes by the name Ananya.
And it's in the mix with song number 6.
Marble eyes, you never cried the way I did. Lost summer, so I took what's mine for the final time. No, I won't see you this December, but next time round, please stay away. I know dark rooms are your getaway. It's where you touch my skin, and each time I fall in, I can't look at you. Too much bottled up inside. Tell me, have you ever cried? Suddenly I'm dizzy. You got this power over me, so blinded by it I can't see. Are you growing your hair again? Is that what lost boys do? Take me up and out again, going round and round with you. Marble eyes, you never cried the way I did. Lost summer, so I took what's mine for the final time. No, I won't see you this December, but next time round, please stay away. I know dark rooms are your getaway. It's where you touch my skin, and each time I fall in. Now do you notice? Coldplay's on the radio, you're in my head, I can't control. Does it make you happy that you're my Achilles heel? Do as you wish and as you feel. Are you growing your hair again? Is that what lost boys do? Take me up and out again, going round and round with you. Marble eyes, you never cried the way I did. Lost summer, so I took what's mine for the final time. No, I won't see you this December. Next time round, please stay away. I know dark rooms are your getaway. It's where you touch my skin, and each time I fall in. Are you growing your hair again? Is that what lost boys do? Marble eyes, you never cried the way I did. Lost summer, so I took what's mine for the final time. No, I won't see you this December. Next time round, please.
She goes by the name Ananya, and just the other day she was rocking New York City. Now she calls the track Marbles, but just trust me on that when I say that she is no ordinary marble. She's more jewel than marble, and we should be hearing more of her on Sounds on Saturday. The soundtrack to your lives, playing the soundtracks of your lives. And also to boot, we play you music you never knew you never knew. Take this next one for instance.
You'll be in seventh heaven with song number 7.
Every morning when I wake up, the first thing that I find, the last thought that I had last night, is the first thing on my mind. Your memory stays with me each day from dawn to dawn. Every time you cross my mind, you break my heart. Every time you cross my mind, Every time you cross my mind, every time you cross my mind, you break my heart. Remembering you is all I've had to do, since I can't remember when. If only I could forget you, I know I could love again. But when you wanna hurt me, you know the place to start. Every time you cross my mind, you break my heart. Every time you cross my mind, you break my heart. Every time I think of you, the teardrops start. I can't stand much more.
Every time you cross my mind, you break my heart. Russie Bailey. Now he's got no less than 5 number ones on the esteemed American Billboard country music charts before he called it a day on this planet on the 4th of August 2021. Now, you do believe me when I say I play you music you never knew? But I ain't done with you yet. As here's a special treat from a soul singer who went a bit earlier, in 2015 as a matter of fact, but had also performed in Zimbabwe. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Percy Sledge.
Please love, not hate, song number 8.